taking you to the one of the most luxurious residences that we could find here in PE. The first one that we're going to be taking is the Alpha Student Accommodation at Warwick. So this is one of the most prestigious and the most luxurious residences that we could find here in PE. So if you're interested, we're going to be taking you through the entire space, how the rooms are, how the common areas look, and how beautiful this place is. So as you can see, this side is the isolation area during COVID-19. Or you can right now, you can even like come with your friends, chill. This place is just amazing. See, come with the gents and just chill. So we'll be taking you to a common area whereby we'll have different students, just entertainment deck. So this will be an entertainment deck. As you've seen, the gents are playing here, ladies are looking nice. So everything here is just amazing. It's just phenomenal. You can even have, it's more like a TV set, TV area. And one more thing, you can come. Let's have a look right here. It's a nice place, man. It's a nice place for real. So this is like a common area, you know. We're playing for the IT geniuses. See if you can look that way. You can just have yourself a seat, a nice seat. Be busy with your own stuff, man. As you can see, the place is just impeccable, guys. It's impeccable. So right here we have a stage. See if you even have an event, just chill out here, man, with your friends. Be cool, you understand? Be cool. So just watch over your friends, watch them play. You can even host tournaments right here. We have a pool table, gents are enjoying. It's nice life, it's nice luxury. Guys, let's go. Beautiful texture indeed. If you can look at the stairs, they are very industrial. So we have that modern feel with an industrial look. Even the staircases are just like that. So if you saw the entrance, you saw the common area. These are the stairs, a very industrial look. So we have them contemporary English. So you have both of them, the mixture of modern, the mixture of industrial. Just how beautiful. And it's only a residence. This is not a house, this is not a mansion, but you have mansion elements in it. So right now we're going to be showing you some of the most amazing rooms. So this is the flooring, these are the doors. Just look at that. Look at how beautiful they are. Even the way they are handled. See, here is an access card. You enter your room. It's just beautiful. Man, this is just wow. On that side, it's another staircase, a modern feel staircase, right? And then here you have your elevators. Man, just look at how everything has been pieced together to give you that modern feel. So this is one of their rooms. This is like how they actually rooms look like. From this side, they have the same texture doors. From when you open, you enter into their rooms. So the rooms are filled. If you look at your right, is it the right? Yeah, it's the right. If you look at this side, there's a common area with only 4 rooms this side. Only 4 rooms this side. It's this side. And then the other, actually, is it 4? It's actually 3. My bad. It's a common area. See, it's a commune kitchen. It's very, very beautiful. that laser beam fell, and it's right here. You're studying with your roommate, so there is no light that's interrupting with your studies because you turn on the light and you just want to study. You don't have to disturb your roommate. You just enjoy being here. If you look at your this side, this is a massive let me see. Let me taller now. I'm gonna taller now. Let me sit. So we're going to sit here. Take your shoes and keep your shoes. Be a clean chair. But by the way, this is like girls' side, so we're going to be showing you guys' side. This is girls' side, and just put on the off ladies, off. Look off. You know, yes, man. This is a beautiful. Told you one of the most luxurious, the most comfortable, and the most affordable residences we could find here in PE. If your residence can beat this, give me a comment, give me a like, and tell me about it, and maybe, just maybe, we'll see it. This is the Alpha Warwick. We are